What are the functions of Food Corporation of India?
The Food Corporation of India plays a very important role in
Uh,
food security in India.
uh,
Important in western and eastern sides of the country.
uh,
It also distributes the foods to the poorer people.
Next, what is butter stock?
Buffer stock.
Buffer stock.
The
Buffer
stock
butter.
is the stock of the food grains and wheat, namely
Don't talk, Anna.
distributed by government through the Food Corporation of India.
What are cooperatives in producing food?
The cooperative distributes the
ముందుకు చేతులు
it set up
ఫోల్డ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ డోంట్ ఫోల్డ్
it set up the shop like ration shop. It distributes the wheat, rice, example milk. Yes, cooperative like milk and milk dairy other things.
ఓకే వాట్ ఆర్ టూ స్కీమ్స్ లాంచ్డ్ బై గవర్నమెంట్
They are very important schemes launched by the government.
స్పెల్లింగ్ తప్పరాసే స్కీమ్స్ SCHEMS స్కీమ్స్
By the government are buffer stock and public distribution system.
నెక్స్ట్ హౌ ఈస్ ఫుడ్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఇన్ ఇండియా ఎన్ష్యూర్డ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా ఎన్ష్యూర్డ్ అట్లా ఎన్ష్యూర్డ్ అది ఎన్ష్యూర్డ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా
The food security is ensured by the buffer stock. It buffer stock distributes the food by the government, the Food Corporation of India, from it distributed by the ration shops.
ఓకే నైస్ పాజిటివ్ ఫర్ ద సెల్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం
Robert Wood discovered the cell for the first time in the year 1665. Robert Wood, a British scientist, he observed that the car simple magnifying device which he had made in He observed that the cartridge reassembled structure of honeycomb gathered by many empty spaces or many empty boxes. He thought it was made up of very small cavities. Robert Wood called cavities cells.
ఓకే క్యావిటీస్ నెక్స్ట్ సైంటిస్ట్ సాల్వ్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం
Scientists solve a problem or answer a question by using scientific method.
అబ్జర్వ్ అండ్ ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్
Observe and ask questions, form a hypothesis.
హైపోథిసిస్ అంటే గెస్సింగ్ గెస్సింగ్ చెప్పు
Form a hypothesis, plan an experiment, conduct an experiment, conclusion and communicative results.
సైన్స్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఆర్గనైజ్ స్టడీ
Science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on scientific method.
రైట్ నీట్లీ
The disease is caused by microorganisms, chicken pox,
స్మాల్ పాక్స్ అంటే మసిల్స్ చికెన్ పాక్స్ స్వైన్ పాక్స్ స్వైన్ అంటే పంది నుండి వచ్చేది
typhoid,
స్వైన్ అంటే ఆడపంది పాక్స్ తర్వాత పోలియో టైఫాయిడ్ పోలియో కూడా అర్థమైందా రైట్ నీట్ లేకపోయినా అర్థమైందా ప్లాంట్స్ అండ్ యానిమల్స్
Centrologies are absent. Plastics are chloroplast, acrylics are smaller in size. Cellulose is absent. Dialysis are present. Plastics are absent. Igloo and protozoa. Vacuoles are smaller in size.
ఓకే రైట్ అబౌట్ టొమాటో
The following statements are shown about the nozzle of tomato. Tomato is in between two guards and guards are shaped like kidney.
గాడ్ సెల్స్
Shaped like kidney.
స్మాల్ ఫోర్ సిసిన్
Small.
సీల్ బిట్వీన్ ద గాడ్ సెల్ మధ్యలో చిన్న రంధ్రాలు ఉంటాయి ఫోర్ రంధ్రం
Tomato helps in exchanges of gases.
ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాసెస్ ఏం గ్యాసెస్ తీసుకుంటే కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ తీసుకొని ఆక్సిజన్ లెట్ అవుట్ చేసింది బయటికి
Tomato nearly occupies 1 to 2% of total leaf area.
నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్ టు
The marine fish
మెరైన్ ఫిష్ ఇఫ్ కెప్ట్ ఇన్ Freshwater aquarium.
The jellyfish have high concentration of salt in their body when they are kept in freshwater aquarium. The fish will absorb the salt into the cells due to osmosis. The more amount of marine fish is freshwater of cells.
Okay, water means H2O. ఏదైతే రాసుకుంటాను ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ రిమంబర్ చేసుకోండి. కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేసింది. నెక్స్ట్ సుజాత సేస్ బట్ బ్యాట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ వర్డ్ బట్ మెమల్ అంటే పాలు ఇచ్చింది మెమల్ అదే
Statement is correct. Bat is not a bird, it is an animal. Including ourselves, bats also have hair and fur on their bodies. They are warm-blooded animals.
నెక్స్ట్
A baby bat feeds on its mother milk when it burns.
Describe the all types of behavior discussed in the lesson.
The behavior that needed not to be learned, imprinting the behavior that she really as a mother, the first moving object. Conditioning is a type of behavior that improves.
కానీ it is already 6:45.
Imitation behavior is the behavior. Imitation behavior.
There are so many rule here.
Imitation behavior is the behavior that one animal copies another animal.
Tell me 90 table.
1990, 1938, 93, 57, 1940, 78, 95, 95, 1906, 114, 1970, 134, 1980, 152, 1990, 171, 1981.
Okay. It is usual.
The leaves have been well called chlorophyll.
Pigment అంటే paint. It is nothing but a paint. Pigment is nothing but a paint లాగా ఉంటుంది. Paint. It helps.
Chlorophyll helps to capture the energy of the sunlight.
What is laboratory?
Laboratory thermometer is a thermometer which is used to capture. Is used to check the temperature of objects. The range of laboratory thermometer is -3 degrees Celsius.
Why is minimum and maximum thermometer is used?
The minimum and maximum.
Legal travels.
The right travels may state for.
What are the other terms?
The other groups are the plants which can make their own food by using the components of nutrients.
Inventions stands be plants which is what happens if you don't have external ear? ఇది లేకపోతే ఏమైంది?
If you don't have external ear, the pinna sound waves may not be connected by it. Then we can't hear, and it leads to deafness.
Next, how do animals protect themselves from dangerous situations by adapting conditioning?
Grazing animals get pain and feels that electric shock when they touch the electric fence.
Next
time they do not go near that, even that power supply is not there.
Very nice. Writing is very good. They don't that side even and go. The power supply is not there. Next, what are the two chemicals present in the body of the beetle?
Hydrogen and hydrogen are chemicals stored in the body of the bombardier beetle.
Hydroquinone is important. Remember it. Hydrogen. Next, hydrogen peroxide H2O. Hydrogen peroxide H2O. Next, explain about lagging or tagging.
Like birds and other animals also over large directions.
Don't tag. Why do you tag?
Animals can be tagged by attracting tracking devices to them. Tracking let the scientists follow the journeys the animals make.
Next, how are biofertilizers more beneficial as compared to a chemical fertilizer?
Biofertilizers add natural nutrients to the soil. Biofertilizers
Sit right properly.
are increasing the proper hiding. Biofertilizers increase the percentage of the.
Okay, nice. Okay.